Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of the restoration of the BMW E30 Baur. Now in the previous episode we got the car onto the rotisserie, we got some wheels on the rotisserie as well to make it into a rolling rotisserie, and we started stripping the underseal off the bottom of the car. The reason for that is because the blaster said that it's very difficult to remove it because it's highly rubberized. So I just went mental in one sitting just trying to obviously strip it. It's still all over the floor and there's still some on me. In this episode I'm going to continue prepping this car for the blasters. The sound deadening in the boot. For some reason there's 2 layers of sound deadening, no idea why, one stacked on top of the other. But I'm going to get that done and then we're going to wheel it outside, get it blasted, bring it back in, get it primed, and yeah, let's get into it. Right, the E30 Baur is ready. The blasters are about half an hour away, so we need to open that door. The fuse is gone, so it's a manual job, unfortunately. So we'll get this outside in prime spot, and then it can be blasted, and then we can see exactly what we've got to do. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, but I'm not looking forward to it because it reveals more rust. Okay. Right, so we've got the E30 on the rotisserie, it's outside, we've got a sheet down so it sort of like catches some of the media, so we can obviously recycle that. Big thanks to the guys at Mobile Shop Blasting Limited. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I'll leave a link down in the description below to their website and their Facebook. Also on screen now you'll be able to see the business card. Send a photo via WhatsApp and he'll give you a quote. Right, so we've got the E30 back in. We've rotated this car to try and get all the blasting media out, so we've done our best to get it all out. Now you will notice that there's still some seam sealer on this car and in the cavities. Don't worry, that'll be sorted. The customer's going to come in a couple of days' time and he can have a look at it and see what he thinks about it. But now, my dad's in the background just prepping the gun, and we're going to get a nice thin coat of primer on this just to stop it flash rusting. Obviously we will put a proper coat on when we come to obviously do the painting, but it's all prepped, ready to go, so we'll get some primer in the gun and get it shot. Right, so that's the car primed. Now there are some hidden surprises. As you can see, this wheel arch here, we've got a nice fresh sill on here as well. The same on the other side, we've got some odd patches here and there, but it's nothing that we can't sort. So now it's all in primer, it looks a little bit better, except for this area here, which looks a little bit worse, to be honest. But that's all we've got time for in this video. Do check us out in the next video, where we're going to continue on this build and hopefully start doing some fabrication to get this car one step closer to being on the road.